Hi, I'm Tada of Mada Tsukaerude. Mada Tsukaerude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna update the 93 Jeep Cherokee Camper Project. Today is September 27th, 2020. And as I explained in the introduction, I'm converting the 93 Jeep Cherokee into a camper. But before making a bed structure, that is a wooden structure, I like to do something first. And one of the things is the rear hatch door. So the currently rear hatch door cannot be opened from inside, and also you cannot unlock that hatch from inside. So for a camper, it's not really good. So I like to convert that so that we can open and unlock the rear hatch. And I made some progress today, so I'll just outline that in this video. So this is the lock mechanism for the rear hatch. So this is the lock. So if this is on this side, it's not gonna open. If it's this side, it can open. So I'm gonna make some lever extension so that I can open the door around here. Yeah. So I'm planning to have the bed up to here, so there's no way to reach. So lever has to be around here. Yeah, I made this using the random pieces from my junk box, and this will be the arm for the lock mechanism. So this will go like this and go like this, and I'm gonna bend around here, and it gonna go up. It probably go this way, and fix it against this screw and a hole. Then we can move left and right so that it can move right and left. This is the plan. Okay, I bent this guy, and my plan is to put a screw like this, and then if you move this way, it moves. Yeah, so this works. Okay, that's good. So this guy should work like this. We can have a double nut here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the cover, then we might need some support here, and also it's better to have some rubber surface, and also the grease, but this is gonna work, I think. Okay, I put the rubber hose here, and also put the grease, And also I made a hole on the back plate. So there's a slit. So this lever gonna go through this slit. And then here's a plan. So that screw to hold this guy, that screw will come out from this hole. And I made these holes larger, and I'm thinking about having a lever. I mean the handle here, so that's also screws coming from the other side, and they put the metal bar as a handle. And all the others, when I take this panel off, the plastic push pin was all damaged. So I decided to use the screws for all the holes. So the screw is gonna hold it. So this guy gonna go like this, and go like this. Just temporarily hold this, and it looks like it's moving. Yep, it's moving, so it's working fine. So this is the plan, and I'm gonna chop off this guy somewhere around here so that they gonna move freely, and I'm gonna make a handle for here, and for the actual push for opening the latch, I'm thinking about a wire structure. So put the wire, but I have to look into the mechanism a little bit more, and so that I can choose the right way to do that. So as you saw in the video, the main the structure or the mechanism for the lock is done, almost done. So that I just need to assemble, and the other thing is the actual latch for the hatch. So in the video I said I would use the wire structure or the mechanism, but I think now I'm thinking about just using the similar metal lever, so that I just move the lever and open it. And as for the handle for the hatch, I think it's almost done. I'll just put the 2 screws from the hatch, and at the end of the screws, I'm gonna put the metal pipe. So I think it's very easy structure, so I can do it easily. So hopefully, if you wanna keep track of this project and the progress of this project, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope I can finish this in a year or so, but I don't want to rush and make the fatal mistake, so I will just go step by step. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.